We are aiming to bring together trusted real estate agents who are operating along Thika Road for us to be able to network, do business together, meet other agents like-minded. We need to get agents who are professional, agents who are legit, so that we can be able to do biashara together.
Sure.
We are aiming to bring around 30 professionals. We are aiming for a smaller group so that we can be able to interact deeply with a small group instead of an extremely big group.
Sure.
This is the first meeting for Thika Road happening 21st August, 9 to 12:30 p.m. Where we are hoping for people to be able to network. We understand the importance of an agent having a big network. We are trying to not just have a group, but to actually build a community of real estate agents. And the idea is to create relationships that can finally translate to business, either referrals, more partnerships, bigger business opportunities that would be harder for someone to get if they were working on their own. I hope that's something that would interest you.
Yes.
Do I take it that you have properties along Thika Road?
Yes, I have few of them.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay, that would be great. And beyond networking, what else would you be looking to get?
So, for now, maybe we discuss maybe later. Because he just ambushed me. Ambushed.
So no problem.
Yeah. Maybe it's not like we need many things in this industry. Yeah? It's not only about realting, but it's about what should we do after realting. You see, we cannot do realting for the rest of our lives. We need some changes at times. We need to broaden our minds. You see, yeah. Sometimes realting is a bit challenging. So what next?
I hear you.
You see, yeah. So but then we'll come and discuss that one.
Now we can only discuss those ones when we meet and share those ideas together.
Yeah.
I would be glad to see you attend.
You will.
Nimekuwa nikikuona and I hope you will come.
I will. I have a team.
Sawa.
I have a team of realtors again. We work together as a team.
Okay. Please don't miss.
Okay, I won't.
Okay. Thanks so much.
Okay, karibu sana.
Bye.